Hello guys, today you are done to learning how to make a logo design. And now, you are ready to work at 99designs. Work as designer logo is very nice. And you can working at home. I will tell you about 99designs now. Open site the 99designs. Over here, write 99designs. This is site 99designs. Look at this. On the navigation, click category. This is category of job at 99designs. Press logo design. On the navigation, press browser contest. Okay, this is contest on the 99designs. Select open contest right here. This is prize for the winner design. Select logo category. This is category of design contest, and I will go down. This is recent winner of the designers. I will see a view profile of the designer. Click right and open the new tab. Click right, open new tab. This is profile designer. This is profile designer too. He entered 3 contests and get prize $2,000. And this is 2. And this 2. But he has been won 74. This is of the design. Recent winning. This is winning from logo design. The price is $3,099. Okay guys, this is 99designs. On the next video, I will show you the sheet of logo tournament.